In areas such as finance, investment, professional services, trade, logistics, culture, creativity, innovation technology, Hong Kong's unique superconnector role can bring together the strengths of Belt and Road economies.
Would we have Mrs. Chai and all speakers to remain on stage and to take a group photo for us?
Also, we have to think about the transactional barrier in the open, and we benefit from that, and we preach that gospel
within the country and abroad. And again, ladies and gentlemen, now for this free trade agreement, the spirit of free trade agreement, we are focusing to attract more